ASTQB wants you to be prepared for the ISTQB Foundation Level Exam. You can download all of the ISTQB Foundation study resources for free on our website. You can also watch free ASTQB Foundation Level Exam prep videos of the must-know items before you take the exam. ISTQB's Foundation Level. 4.1 Test Techniques Overview. Test techniques support the tester in test analysis, what to test, and in test design, how to test. Test techniques help to develop a relatively small but sufficient set of test cases in a systematic way. Test techniques also help the tester to define test conditions, identify coverage items, and identify test data during the test analysis and design. In this syllabus, test techniques are classified as black box, white box, and experience-based. Black box test techniques, also known as specification-based techniques, are based on an analysis of the specific behavior of the test object without reference to its internal structure. Therefore, the test cases are independent of how the software is implemented. Consequently, if the implementation changes, but the required behavior stays the same, then the test cases are still useful. White box test techniques, also known as structured-based techniques, are based on an analysis of the test object's internal structure and processing. As the test cases are dependent on how the software is designed, they can only be created after the design or implementation of the test object. Experience-based test techniques effectively use the knowledge and experience of the testers for the design and implementation of test cases. The effectiveness of these test techniques depends heavily on the tester's skills. Experience-based test techniques can detect defects that may be missed using the black box test techniques and white box test techniques. Hence, experience-based test techniques are complementary to the black box test techniques and the white box test techniques. If you know what software testing is, you will be one step closer to success with your ISTQB Foundation Level Exam from ASTQB. Download the free ISTQB Foundation Level Exam preparation materials today. www.astqb.org